business professional who feels competent in English but struggles to get ahead? Here's another question. Do people assume because you have an accent that you're maybe not as capable? Well, navigating business culture for non-native speakers might be a solution for you. Are you ready to take your career in a new direction? Please register and hope to see you soon. Hi everybody, I'm Natalia Garrido. I'm the founder of Bonsai Performance Improvement. I work with business professionals to improve workplace skills. But my favorite job is teaching here at Lotto. Before Lotto, I spent 30 years in corporate America in business development and corporate training. And I'm really looking forward to getting to know you.
Natalia, could you please give me more information about the course?
Absolutely, I'm so glad you're asking. Navigating business culture for non-native speakers is a workshop that focuses on giving you communication strategies that you can use at work that help you become more promotable, more visible, and help you to just feel more comfortable as a business professional.
Okay, so I own my own business, so how is this course going to help me?
I'm really glad you asked that question. I also own my business, own a business myself, and I teach here at Lotto. Plus, I've spent half of my career in business development, so I understand what it's like to be an entrepreneur. One of the main ways it's going to help you is it's going to help you learn how other people communicate. You have a style of communicating, and so do other people. Once you're able to understand how other people communicate, you can align yourself with them, right? And be better at negotiating, be better at establishing relationships or building relationships. So that's one main way that this workshop can help you.